Hey, everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install WhatsApp on your Windows PC without using the Microsoft Store. This is perfect if your store isn't working, or you're using a version of Windows that doesn't support it. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official WhatsApp website, www.whatsapp.com. Download. Once the page loads, you'll see download options for different platforms. Under Windows, click the green button that says Download for Windows. This will download the .yelm.exe installer file directly to your PC. Once it's finished downloading, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the file named something like WhatsApp Setup x.now. Just follow the on-screen instructions. The installation will take a few seconds, and once it's done, WhatsApp will launch automatically. You'll see a QR code on the screen. To link your phone, open WhatsApp on your phone. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Linked Devices. Tap Link a device, then scan the QR code on your PC screen. And that's it. WhatsApp is now installed and running on your PC. No Microsoft Store needed. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and don't forget to tap the bell icon. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.